2 men were shot and killed by the St. James Police during a reported confrontation on Tuesday afternoon. The deceased have been identified as 35-year-old Keyon Wellington and Allie Hall, both residents of Belmont, St. James. Reports are that about 3 p.m., a police patrol team went to a house in the Belmont community, where they were greeted with gunfire. Investigators at the house in Belmont, St. James, where 2 men were shot dead by the police in a reported shootout on Tuesday afternoon. The police said the fire was returned and a shootout ensued. Following the alleged gunfight, Wellington and Hall were found suffering from gunshot wounds, and were taken to hospital, where they were pronounced dead. The police say other men ran from the house and escaped in bushes. 2 handguns were reportedly recovered from the scene. The Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOM, has commenced a probe into the incident.